Number 1. 1983 Nissan 720 pickup, $1,200, Tucson, Arizona. This 1983 Nissan 720 is a simple and durable compact pickup known for its straightforward mechanical design. Equipped with a 4-cylinder engine, manual transmission, and rear-wheel drive, it is best suited as a project or mechanic special truck. It has been driven recently but will require attention to the electrical system, brakes, and clutch. The title carries a lien that must be satisfied prior to transfer. At this price point, it represents an affordable entry into classic Japanese pickups. Number 2. 1989 Ford Ranger 4-wheel drive, $2,850, Bonnie Lake, Washington. This 1989 Ford Ranger features 4-wheel drive, a 6-cylinder engine, and a manual transmission. Lifted suspension, oversized off-road tires, and auxiliary lighting give it strong late 80s character. Although the odometer has rolled over, it remains a usable classic pickup. These Rangers are valued for their rugged frames and easy-to-service mechanical components. Number 3. 1988 Dodge Dakota pickup, $3,000, Fort Collins, Colorado. This 1988 Dodge Dakota is powered by the 3.9-liter V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It runs well and includes a clean title, nearly new tires, and a recently replaced air conditioning compressor. Minor body damage is present but does not impact functionality. Overall, it is a solid mid-size classic pickup suitable for regular driving. Number 4. 1969 Chevrolet C10 Shortbed stepside, $14,000, Tucson, Arizona. This 1969 Chevrolet C10 Shortbed stepside is equipped with a 6-cylinder engine and a 3-speed manual transmission. Recent upgrades include power steering, front power disc brakes, electronic ignition, and a new water pump. Its Arizona history suggests dry climate preservation. This generation of C10 remains highly sought after among classic truck enthusiasts. Number 5. 1974 Chevrolet Silverado short wheelbase, $11,800, Queen Creek, Arizona. This 1974 Chevrolet Silverado short wheelbase pickup is a rust-free example, powered by a new 350 cubic inch V8 and turbo 400 automatic transmission. Suspension upgrades and power accessories improve comfort and drivability. While the paint shows age, the body is straight and solid. It stands as a strong driver-quality classic truck. Number 6. 1976 Ford F250 Highboy 4-wheel drive, $12,500, Castroville, Texas. This 1976 Ford F250 Highboy retains its original 360 cubic inch V8 engine, automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive system. The body is straight with expected light rust in typical areas. It runs reasonably well and includes a functional utility bed. Highboy models continue to grow in collectability, especially in usable condition. Number 7. 1972 Chevrolet Cheyenne C10 Shortbed, $14,000, Sacramento, California. This 1972 Chevrolet Cheyenne Shortbed is powered by a 383 cubic inch stroker engine based on the 350 platform, paired with an automatic transmission. The truck is rust-free and requires minor work before regular road use. Its performance-oriented drivetrain makes it appealing to enthusiasts seeking a classic street truck. Number 8. 1982 Chevrolet Dually Pickup, $14,100, Plattsmouth, Nebraska. This 1982 Chevrolet Dually Pickup is equipped with a big block engine and a 4-speed manual transmission. Power steering, power brakes, and electric trailer brakes support its towing capability. Recent maintenance and added accessories enhance its overall value. Square-body dually trucks are becoming increasingly desirable among collectors and work truck enthusiasts. Number 9. 1979 Chevrolet C10 Scottsdale, $18,000, Merced, California. This 1979 Chevrolet C10 Scottsdale is a one-owner truck showing fewer than 30,000 original miles. It features a 6-cylinder engine, automatic transmission, fresh paint, a new interior, and a fully serviced air conditioning system, completed in 2025. Its originality, low mileage, and condition make it a highly collectible square-body pickup. Number 10. 1972 Chevrolet C10 Cheyenne Long Wheelbase, $20,000, Santa Rosa, California. This 1972 Chevrolet C10 Cheyenne Long Wheelbase retains its original Spanish ochre two-tone paint and factory 350 cubic inch V8 engine. Recent mechanical servicing and professional rust repair improve reliability and longevity. The interior remains well preserved, making this a desirable driver-quality classic with strong long-term value. Number 11, 1955 Chevrolet Pickup, $15,000, Chandler, Arizona. This 1955 Chevrolet Pickup features the earlier 1948 through 1954 body style. It is powered by a heavily built small block engine paired with an automatic transmission and upgraded suspension components. Owned by the same caretaker for over 3 decades, it remains rust-free and well-maintained, blending classic styling with modern performance. Number 12, 1965 Ford Custom Show Truck Blue Venom, $16,500, Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. This 1965 Ford Custom Show Truck, known as Blue Venom, is a fully restored and award-winning custom build, powered by a 390 cubic inch V8 engine. It combines strong performance with show-quality craftsmanship. With more than 100 trophies, it is a proven and recognizable custom classic. Number 13. 1952 Chevrolet 3100, $16,000, Fremont, California. This 1952 Chevrolet 3100 is powered by the iconic 235 cubic inch inline six-cylinder engine and a manual transmission. Finished in classic black, it retains its traditional mechanical layout and vintage character. Early 1950s Chevrolet pickups remain highly collectible, making this an excellent candidate for preservation or light restoration.